you know? Hi, how are we? That was a bit extra. My favorite. For today's video, I would love to tell you exactly what it's about, but I really can't. It's just something fun that I came up with, and I was like, I like the idea behind it, I like the visual behind it, so I'm gonna make a look for it. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you appreciate the video, you know? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, let's get on into the tutorial. All right, here we go. Let's begin on this epic, extensive, creative, daunting journey. Shall we begin? We shall. Put my hair up first. I definitely have not done my hair yet. Can you tell? Can you tell? I do. Let's start with chapstick, shall we? First step to looking fabulous is being moisturized. Put that on a t-shirt. Don't. It would be a horrible t-shirt. I've only thought this makeup look through a little bit. So this should go great. I'm going to start today by using the MAC Mineralized Charged Water Charcoal Spray. That's a long name. I'm pretty sure this is just water with some fragrance, but I can't be sure. So anyway, I'm just going to spray this on my face. I'm serious. I don't know what this does yet because I've only used it once. I'm going to apply the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer. I've just been really liking this as my concealer and eye primer recently. And then I'm just going to tap that in with a sponge and then immediately set it with a powder. Some people don't and they're fine, but I don't trust those people. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm really going to try to only stick to the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna try to just use this today, but I do have another little palette sitting here just for that one red eyeshadow. First, I am going to go in with this eyeshadow right here, which is from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take that on a Sigma brush and begin to focus this right in my crease. Okay, great. So we're the second shade in, and I'm already gonna go in with something different. I'm just gonna grab this one shadow that I was talking about earlier. This is from MAC, and this is Never Say Never. I'm gonna focus this in my crease. I do want to stay low with this, however, I don't want to take it up to my brow like I did that yellow shade. Now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and take this color right here, which if I'm not mistaken is Hunt's from her palette. I don't know. I took mine apart and so I no longer have the names to the shades, so I'm just trying to guess. So I'm going to take that eyeshadow and put this on my eyelid, my whole eyelid. I'm going to ever so slightly meet it in that crease. Then I'm going to hop back into that red shade I just used. Use that as the blending shade between the two colors. Okay, now that I'm starting to look real crazy, I've got shadow down here, but don't worry, it's intentional. I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This is in Kitten. I'm going to take this on a brush and apply it probably about halfway on my lid. Alright, then because I feel like it would really just bring this together, I want to do some wing liner. So I'm just going to take some black gel liner and wing it. Literally. Now I have the liner on. It's okay. I'm just gonna leave it alone because makeup and I are just not getting along tonight, so that's fine. Now it is time for lashes. I have 3 options and I still don't know which ones I want to put on. I have the ones I wore in my last video and then these 2. I think that'll work. This is just a random pair of lashes. I am fairly certain that they are affordable. However, they're probably from like Ardell or Kiss. So far, I kind of like this look. It's pretty and sparkly and I like it. Buster, shh. Okay, so now that lashes are on, I feel like I look so weird. Whatever. Now I'm going to do foundation. For foundation today, I'm gonna mix 2. I'm gonna mix the Makeup Revolution and Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation. I look so busted. I don't look good. I look so sick. Oh my. Okay, let's hurry up and get some concealer on. I'm just gonna use the same concealer I used on my eyelids. I'm gonna set that with MAC Emphasize powder. Now I'm just going to go in and set the rest of my face with a powder foundation from Stila, which is looking very messy. Then for bronzer today, I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer in I don't want to do this. In Icon, I'm just going to use that and bronze the skin. In addition to that Morphe one, I'm going to apply, you guessed it, a little bit of Kat Von D's contouring kit. I'm going to use this shade down here. I swear, I can't do my makeup without this shade. It really is fantastic. I'm just going to contour a little bit with that. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and also run it up and down the sides of my nose. The next step is I'm going to take some powder. This is from Maybelline, and I'm going to use this to clean up that bronzer and contour. Now I'm going to put some blush on. I'm going to apply Becca Blush Copper. Now I'm going to do my brows. Same as every other time, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. Go buy this if you have not already. It's like $4 or $5 and it is literally like my favorite brow pencil of all time. This is my second one. Do I need to say any more? I feel like I'm still trying to master my brows. It's just, we're not there yet. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the first shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take the same yellow I started out with. I'm going to take that and brush that on my lower lash. I'm going to like bring this practically down to the bronzer. I'm going to give it a try just because I really feel like I haven't ruined everything enough. Ooh, that's cool. You know, it's the point in my videos where I slowly start to give up, but like there's still that small part of me that really wants to finish. So we pursue and we push through and, you know, in the end, we make it. All right, Beast, what next? I'm gonna take some of the red in the Jaclyn Hill palette, set on my lower lash. That was aggressive. Then I'm gonna go in with that same like dark red burgundy I used before and just go right next to my lashes. Going to highlight my inner corner with that same white that I used earlier. That's pigmented. We are going places. A little black in the waterline. Then a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. Then I want to put one of these little gems, one of these, I'm not sure, in my inner corner. And I'm just going to adhere this with some lash glue. I remember these. These were little devils to put on. Just going to wipe away the rest of this powder. Now I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use Becca Champagne Pop mixed in with MAC Lightscapade. Alright, now we're just onto the lip, and then I have to fix my hair, but that's it for the look. I'm going to try and use Kat Von D Lovecraft lipstick. That is a busted application. Do I like that color? No, I don't like it. Try again. Instead, I'm going to try Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick, which I always wear this, with a little bit of the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration lip gloss. I think that's it. I'm gonna go do my hair and come back and then I'll reevaluate, but I think that's it. So let's go to the hair. All right, I believe we are done. This has been such a journey. Thank you for coming along with me for this, you know? I really hope you enjoyed the visuals and the edits and the music and stuff like that. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you did enjoy it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.